In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice via the Xero to Xero network. Whether you're a small business owner or manage accounting for a company, sending invoices efficiently is vital. Xero's platform is designed to make this process seamless, and I'll guide you through every step with clarity and ease. First, let's get logged in. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. It's always a good idea to have your login credentials ready. Once you're on the page, click on the login button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure your details are correct and click login again to access your Xero dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, go ahead and look for the top menu bar where you'll see an option labeled business. Hover over it, and from the drop down menu, select invoices. This is the section of Xero where you'll manage all your billings and payments, so it's a key area to get familiar with. Next, you'll be navigating to the specific invoices you want to send. Click on awaiting payment, which will show you a list of all invoices that haven't been settled yet. This step ensures that the invoice you're sending is current and still needs to be addressed by the recipient. Once you've located the invoices you'd like to send, it's time to select them. Carefully review the list and choose the ones that need to be sent out. With your invoices selected, look for the email button, typically located in the action bar. Clicking this will bring up an email template ready to accompany your invoices. Before sending, it's crucial to double check the email template. Make sure all details are correct from the recipient's email address to the accompanying message, if there is one. This is your chance to ensure that communication is clear and professional, setting the right tone with the invoice recipient. After you've reviewed everything and are satisfied, click the Send button. Xero will process the email, sending your selected invoices to the corresponding recipients. It's as simple as that, but remember, ensuring accuracy at every step helps avoid future complications. And there you go. By following these steps, you've successfully sent your invoices via the Xero to Xero network. This streamlined process saves time and helps keep your accounting organized and up to date. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps simplify your invoicing tasks, making your business operations a little bit easier.